Is my portfolio project. I had a really fun time building it, and I'm excited to show you the result of my work. So, I'm an Adelina Duman. I'm an aspiring AI engineer. I'm a recent Columbia University graduate where I did a lot of courses on ML, natural language processing, artificial intelligence, and other type of courseworks. I really am interested in becoming ML AI engineer. So here in the skills section, I outlined the type of skills that I'm working on, and which include the interacting with large language models, model fine tuning, machine learning, so traditional building supervised learning, the random forest decision tree, as well as deep learning, where I have more experience with TensorFlow compared to the PyTorch, but I'm working on PyTorch as well. In terms of my professional experience, I mainly had two: my Duolingo software engineering internship that I did after my sophomore year. Here, I worked on building full stack applications based on Kotlin, so contributing to the Android app of Duolingo. I built the concentration game, so the game to practice words, and I had a really fun time and learned a lot about the engineering principles and building clean code. I also learned about microservice architecture, the importance of building scalable and reliable code, and it was really fun time. And I really learned a lot of engineering principles there. So moving on to the summer EPFL fellowship, it's a fellowship based in Geneva, Switzerland, and it's a place where you contribute and help the existing lab members to build ML AI solutions. And I was working toward about animal behavior classification, and I worked with TensorFlow, Keras, and I was involved in the end-to-end machine learning project. So it started from the data engineering pipeline, the cleaning, the preparation of the data set, and then it moved on to the model training, then model optimization using hyperparameter tuning, model validation, and then the model deployment. It was a really fun and great experience, and I really enjoyed learning there. And moving on to my projects, I mainly have three. So the first one is the ML paper implementation. I took the ML paper that I was interested in, which is Alzheimer MRI prediction based on the RNNs, and then I was um, taking the key insights from the paper and then transformed it into the functional code. And I took the data set from the Kaggle. It was a really great and challenging but a really enriching experience. The emotion recognition in speech using Pratt, the speech to text technologies, I was able to convert the podcast speech into the different emotions. So being able to see how to classify different emotions, I think, is really useful and has a lot of applications. And then LangChain RAG chatbot, it's where I was able to hone a lot of AI skills. So interacting with LLMs like OpenAI as well as Gemini, and building the having the Chroma database, and building the retrieve and augmented generation pipeline. It was really fun. And here's my contact form. Overall, I really enjoyed building the website, and thank you so much.